Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Viral, and today we're going to be talking about the best food hacks. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Have you ever wondered how to make your scrambled eggs look better? How to make it look all fluffy so people really want to eat it more? Well, we have a solution for that. All you need to do is cook it on your frying pan like you always do, but just add one step to the entire process. In the middle of cooking, grab some wooden sticks and keep stirring the white part. You'll see that after some time, it'll get all fluffy just like a cloud. You will also notice how much hungrier people will get looking at that egg. Sometimes you just want to make some food for yourself and nobody else, but all the recipes you're finding aren't helpful at all. Well, we're going to help you, so don't worry. If you want to make some mac and cheese for yourself only, all you need to do is have all the mac and cheese ingredients and a cup. Put some water in the cup and put your favorite pasta in. Microwave it for 2 minutes or to the point where all the water is gone. Pour milk into it, add some cheese, and mix it all up. And voila, you are done. Putting pancakes on the other side sometimes is very difficult, and we all know that. That's why this hack is going to help you with that problem. The next time you're craving some pancakes, but you're afraid you're going to miss them, use this hack. Pour the dough on the frying pan, but also put the wooden stick in it. Cover it up, and then when it's time for it to change sides, grab the stick and easily move it. You won't have to worry anymore. Since Halloween is near, we've also prepared a Halloween food hack. But you don't even have to just use it for Halloween. Just use it whenever you want to make yourself some pumpkin cookies. For this hack, you'll need the orange Oreo, peanut butter cookie cup, and some orange coating. Insert the peanut butter cup in the middle of the Oreo cookie and cover it up with the orange coating. For better effect, you can make some more lines on it just like the pumpkins have, and add some green at the top of it, so it would be similar to the leaves. And you have a perfect pumpkin-looking cookie, great for all seasons, especially the fall. Do you want to make some cheap but fulfilling snacks and don't want to waste too much time on preparing it? We got you! All you need is to have some chips and cheese. Smash your favorite chips and cover the cheese cubes with them. After doing so, put the cheese into the boiling oil and wait for them to be done. And then you'll have your perfect snack with not too much wasted time. How cool is that? The last hack on our list is going to help you with cutting pieces of your mango or any similar fruit. You won't have to firstly take the skin off and then cut it into pieces. All you need to do is cut it while it's still in the skin and place it on a hard surface. You can use a glass for it. Grab it and push onto it so the pieces will detach from the skin on their own. Wow, pretty easy, right? That's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click the little bell icon so you don't miss out on a future video from us. And watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!